Hey everyone, and thanks for jumping back into the cryptoverse. Today we're going to talk about Polkadot and the DOT token. So if you guys like the content, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel, give the video a thumbs up, and also please check out the Telegram channel, which you can find a link to in the description below. One of the things we've spoken about before, right, is looking at new coins throughout the market cycle. And if you're on the premium list, like many of you are, we did talk about DOT as being one of the ones that I would cover. We mentioned that about a week or two ago. Basically just saying that, okay, DOT is going to kind of come into the market and be one that we're going to want to watch this market cycle. I think it has a role to play this market cycle. And when I first brought it up, the price was at $3 and it was really risky then, and it still is really risky, right? And the reason is because we don't have much data. If you look at the 1 week chart, I mean, it's just, we're in our second bar, right? I mean, this is our second bar right now. If you look at, say, the daily chart, it just hasn't been around very long. Of course, there was a move, right, from the previous tokens, and then they did a 1 to 100 swap, and then now it's listed on a lot of exchanges, or a few exchanges, and currently looking at the price, it seems pretty bullish, but I want people to proceed with caution, right? I mean, there's no such thing as something just going up monotonically forever. We recognize that when things move up quickly, there is a good chance that there will be a retracement, right? And I just want people to stay level-headed on it. If you look at the market cap of Polkadot, it's already $5 billion. And to put that in perspective, one of the ones we've been following on the channel for a long time is Chainlink, and its market cap is only 5.6. So it's come out of gate swinging, that's for sure. And on the premium channel, we talked about this is going to be a top 10 coin, maybe even a top 5 coin. So this is a contender for the market cycle. Unfortunately, we just don't have a lot of data, right? We don't have a lot of data. Maybe the best we can do is look at the 1 hour chart in terms of our macroscopic view of DOT, and look at our trusty 20 hour moving average. But again, this is I say it in jest, of course, right? There's, in terms of looking at actual price action with DOT, we're going to need a lot more time. The reason why I'm making a video now is because I just want to alert people to the fact that we will be covering it over the market cycle, because I do think it has a role to play. It has has a lot going for it, and we're not going to go into all the fundamentals in this video. But I would encourage you guys to check out the Polkadot ecosystem at some point, just because there's a lot of development going on there. There's a lot of projects already building on top of it. So check it out, and we will be following the price, right? I mean, when the price was about $3 when it hit the market, and now it's basically slowly and methodically moving upwards. But one of the things I want to caution people again, right, is that if at some point, whenever the main crypto market, right, when the asset class as a whole, after dumping down a significant amount, sometimes what you'll see, right, is you'll see these markets kind of stabilize, right, and then start maybe moving back up at some point, and then the coins that were pumping during the time that the market as a whole was dumping, then it kind of tends to reverse, right? So then people will then take profits out of some of the coins that have been pumping like crazy and put them back into some of the coins that have been dumping. This is just general observations over years. Of course, it's not a sure thing. Maybe DOT will go to $10, right, before we know it. But I just want to caution people, and remember, right, I mean, if you're looking to get into an asset, no matter how risky it is, DCA is your friend. And unfortunately, we can't look at any, say, risk levels. We can't look at anything that would give us any more of, like, say, a data science approach to accumulating DOT, other than just more or less saying, good luck, right? I mean, it could be $2 tomorrow. It could be $10 tomorrow. I don't really know. I just wanted to alert people to the fact that we will be covering it during the market cycle, right? And we're going to systematically try to follow it every step of the way. So I just want to alert people to that. I hope you guys enjoyed the show, and I will see you next time. Bye.